What do you got there?
Oh, these are my new binocs. Super smart touchscreen. They're a prototype with a scroll zoom.
Dude, we're trying to watch birds here.
Mockingbird, everybody, have you heard? I'm gonna buy me a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, I'm gonna
Matter
buy
if you're
me
black or white.
Doom da da doom doom. Doom doom. Doom da da doom doom. 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 That's not the same song.
I'm pretty sure that's the.
No, that's definitely the same
yeah,
song.
that's what I thought.
No, it is.
Oh, hey, there's a cardinal.
No, that's definitely a blue jay, man. No, it's definitely a cardinal.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
That's got to be a cardinal. Hey, do you guys know bird bones have helium in them?
I heard that.
This is what makes them fly so high.
I heard that once.
4.0200260. That's the atomic mass of helium. Hey, man, you're scaring the birds away, man.
Yeah,
It's
man.
kind of loud.
Chill out on that.
You need to chill out a little bit. Birds can fly.
Oh my God, what kind of bird is that over there?
Hold on, let me check my bird app. Hold on, just wait. Just wait a second. Just wait. It's not working. Hold on, just wait. I've almost got it. That's got to be the thought to be extinct elephant bird, Aepyonis maximus, otherwise known as the African condor. By John, I think he's right.
Holy cowabunga. Gosh!